Now that we actually have our UI bar set up as an actual graphic on our canvas, it means that we no longer need these actual physical objects. So we can take from slot 1 all the way down to point light 11 and we can just delete all of these, just press delete. It also means that we don't need the materials for the Pro Builder. So if we just go into Pro Builder and Material Editor, all of these were basically just to create this, so we can actually get rid of these. Now, an easy way to do this is to take Alt 2, where it says icon, just click on the little target and choose none. Okay, we can then do the same for each of these. Okay, so we just basically select none on each of these. Okay, and it basically resets it back to where we started. Okay, there we go. That's fine. And then we can go into our project, just find our materials. Since we no longer need these materials, we can then just highlight all of those and just press delete to delete those out. Okay, great. Our scenes will probably, well, we do need to save this just so that we've got access to this canvas since it has already been set up for us. However, we do need some numbers at the bottom here. So in the resources for this session, you'll find a little graphic that I've given you called UI nums or UI numbers. So I'll put this in the UI graphics. Let me just drag this into here. And just click on this in the inspector, make sure it's set up as a sprite 2D and UI, and we're going to click apply. Okay, that will then just give it the transparent background. As part of our canvas, we're just going to right click, choose UI and a new image, and then let's just drag the UI nums into the source, and let's click set native size. Okay, then I just want to click and drag on the Y, and just bring this down until it sits in the correct place. Okay, there we go, and now we can see all the numbers are in place. This specific font, I'll be showing you where I got that from. It is totally free, okay, and it's free for commercial purposes as well. So we'll be taking a look at that when we get into the actual UI section. So for now, I'm just going to call this numbers. All right, and there we go. All right, so we've set this up. Let's just click File and Save. So in the next video, we're actually going to start sculpting our terrain for our first scene.